Hello, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to another episode of Live Talk Tuesday with Dr. Lisa. So, I have been coming on and providing you with these mini live stream series, and it's all been related to finding your voice as a leader. So, my previous series have talked about what it takes to be a great leader. We talked about is introversion holding you back as a leader? We also talked about 3 tips to becoming an influential leader. All of these are centered around finding your voice. So today we're going to be talking about storytelling as a leader and the importance of storytelling. So I love this quote by Gail King that says, "You have to figure out to have a way to have a seat at the table so that your voice can be heard." And one way to find your voice and to influence others is to tell your own story. Did you know that the power of telling your story is a key leadership technique? So that instead of appearing disconnected or authoritative or adversarial, even, sharing your story and your life, the life that you are living, helps to establish your authenticity and also your credibility. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Lisa Herbert. I'm a board certified family physician, best-selling author, speaker, and executive leadership coach. And I help physicians transition into leadership roles so that they can become the respected voices in healthcare. So, today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways that sharing your story makes you a better leader. So the first thing that it does is that it helps you to connect with others through other means. Typically, as leaders, we're given presentations, we're standing up and we're talking about numbers, we're doing PowerPoints, we're talking about metrics and the bottom line. But connecting with others through pictures and through words and by storytelling, it really touches others. It really helps to expose commonality between other people. And it also helps people to see themselves in you. So, storytelling, number one, is a way that you connect with others in your organization and outside your organization as well. The second thing is that storytelling helps to bring about change, and it brings about change by you providing that clear direction and that advice on how you take action, and it sparks change in others. So the second way that sharing your story rather makes you a great leader is that it helps you to bring about change in others. The third way that sharing your story makes you a better leader is that it creates innovation. Typically, when you're telling your story, there's a lot of energy behind it, there's a lot of emotion sometimes even behind it. And sharing your message in that way can spark or even create innovation within your team. It definitely helps to motivate them. So it also helps to create innovation. The fourth way in which sharing your story helps to make you a better leader is that it shows your human side. It shows what you believe in. It shows who you are outside of your title and your role of being a leader. And again, this is a great way to be able to form relationships and to connect with others. And then the last way in which your story can help to make you a better leader is that it helps you to create high performing teams. Because again, you shared your values, you shared what it means for you to really be, doing the work that you're doing, the passion that you have about it. And people begin to see that and they begin to believe your vision and they begin to start working together and working towards a common goal. So, again, 5 ways in which sharing your story can make you a better leader is through connecting with others, bringing about change, creating innovation, showing your human side, and then also creating high performing teams. So, your story basically is what shapes you, right? It's your based on your why, it's based on your past experiences, whether those have been successes and or failures or successes and failures. It's based on your accomplishments, the things that have turned you around, your turning points, and also your vision. So I encourage you as a leader to fine tune your storytelling and continue telling your story. Sometimes, our stories can be painful, but sometimes there's a actual message in that story as well. So continue to fine tune your story, understand what your story is, understand your why, work on the presentation of it, and continue to tell your story so that you can accomplish those 5 things that we discussed earlier that will help make you a better leader. So, again, my name is Dr. Lisa Herbert, your board certified family physician, best-selling author, speaker, and executive leadership coach. And I help physicians and healthcare professionals transition into leadership roles so that they can become the respected voice in healthcare. So, if you are struggling with finding your voice, with being able to articulate your story, being able to fine tune your story so that you can also create that high performing team so that you can bring about change, connect with others, and influence others, then I invite you to schedule a strategy session with me or a discovery call at schedulewithdrlisa.com. And we can talk about how we can get you to the next level. So, thank you again for joining. I hope that you enjoyed this segment in regards to storytelling, and I look forward to seeing you again. Talk soon. Bye bye.